Hello dear students. Today we are going to start 7th chapter of grammar, that is kinds of verbs. What are verbs? Just see over here, what are verbs? Words that show action are called as verbs. So which are the action verbs? Sit, stand, dance, smile, cry, arrive, play, practice, okay, move, learn, dance, chat. These are your action words. The audience laughed at the jokes cracked by the speaker. So over here, audience laughed. Laughed is your action, which is action showing, and it is a verb too. The newborn baby smiles frequently. The newborn baby smiles. Smile is the action, okay, which is showing you some action. It is called as a verb. The boys snuffed when the warden walked in. Snuffed and walked is your verb. Now we are going to go for the helping verbs or auxiliary verb. What are they? The verbs am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, did, does are called as helping verbs. Why? Because they help the main verb to complete the meaning. Here that is, it is said am, is, are, was, were, have, had, do, did, does are the helping verbs. Why? Because they help the main verb to complete the meaning, as well as helping verbs are also called as auxiliary verbs. So which are they? Just see the example. I am learning English grammar. Am learning. See, helping verb is what? Am. Learning is what? That is the action word. Learning what? English grammar. So it is completing the sentence. What? I am learning what? English grammar. So it is helping the main verb to complete the sentence or the meaning of the sentence. The plane has arrived at the airport. Has arrived. The children were playing in the garden. Were playing. The players have practiced for the match. Have practiced. These sentences have two verbs. Without the verbs such as am, has, were, have, the meaning of the sentence would not be completed. So, now this are the helping verbs as well as the auxiliary verbs. Now I'll give you some more, that is I've searched from the Google and I want you to learn more about the verbs. See the main definition of the verb here, it was given very short in our textbook. Just see over here. Even you can open some Google Play and search out for all these chapters which I have taught you. A verb is a doing word that shows an action, an event or a state. That is, a verb is a doing word or showing an action or an event or a state. A sentence may either have a main verb, a helping verb, or both. In other words, a verb is a word that informs about an action, an existence of something, or an occurrence that something has happened. The verb is the main word in a sentence. No sentence can be completed without a verb. Not a single sentence can be completed without a verb, it is telling over here. The word verb derived from the Latin word that is verbum. So which types of verbs are there? See, main verbs, or you can say action verbs, helping verbs, linking verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs. See, which are the main verbs or action verbs? Main verbs or action verbs are used to express action, something that an animal, a person or a thing does. In each of the following sentences, we only have a main verb. Just here, the sun shines, the main verb. The horse neighs, the monkey jumps. Can you see the highlighted word shines, neighs, jumps? Helping verbs. As the name suggests, helping verbs help or support the main verb. We are learning about the helping verbs. Our helping verb, that is learning main verb. We are in the greenhouse club. First sentence was, we are learning about the helping verb. Are learning. Are learning. Are is your helping verb. Learning is your main verb. We are in the greenhouse club. Are. Are is your helping verb. You should complete the work by tomorrow. Should, helping verb, and complete is your main verb. State of being verbs, that is linking verbs. State of being verbs state that something is. State of being verbs also known as linking verbs. Linking verbs explain a link between the subject of the sentence and a noun or an adjective being linked to it. List of example or sentences. The flowers are bright. See a state of being verbs. That is linking verbs. So what is that? State of being verbs that show something is the state of being verbs. Is called as linking verbs. The flowers are bright. Diamond is the hardest substance. I feel scared. So understanding verbs, the words am, is, are, was and were belong to the verb to be. We use am or was with the pronoun I. I am, I was. We use is or was when the subject of the sentence is singular. Just see the rules of the note over here. We use is or was when the subject of the sentence is singular. We use are or were when the subject of the sentence is plural. Just take note of all this. See the list of the examples. See when the singular word is over here. We use is with the singular nouns and pronouns he, she, it. Just see over here. I was late for school yesterday. I am 12 years old. She is a wonderful singer. 3 questions are difficult. He was planning to meet the doctor. The Hollywood actors are famous. They were winners last year. It is a great feeling to win the trophy. List of example sentences. My school is near my house. This restaurant is closing down. She is writing a postcard. Dog is a faithful animal. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. He is acting strange today. We use are with the plural nouns and the pronouns we, you, they. The balloons are colorful. They are best friends. The kites are flying high in the sky. They are planning to go by train. We are going to win the match. You are writing so untidy. Just see over here again. We use are when we join 2 or more nouns. John and Sam, these are 2 nouns, are brothers. Joseph and we are neighbors. Joseph and we. Annie and Sue are enjoying the party. Sharon and Jenny are competing for the gold medal. Mrs. and Mr. Lee are planning to visit New Zealand. Subject, verb and agreement. It is very important to take care of the subject and the verb agreement while framing a sentence. See, it is very important to take care of the subject and the verb agreement while framing a sentence. When you are trying to make a sentence, you have to take note of that. It is very important that a verb must be compatible and agree with its subject to make a correct and valid sentence. Just let us understand with the help of an example. If we write, Phil is playing with a ball. This is correct. Phil are playing with a ball. Phil is a singular person. So can you write are over there? No. So Phil is. In the first sentence, the subject Phil is singular. So we need a singular verb is playing. The sentence is correct in the second sentence. So the subject Phil is singular, but the verb is plural are playing. The sentence is incorrect. So rules of subject, verb and agreement. Rule 1. Subject verb agreement with a singular noun. If the subject is singular noun or a pronoun, he, I, she, it, we must ensure that we use a singular verb to write a correct sentence. List examples of sentences. She is playing the guitar. The postman is asking for your signature. Is playing, is asking. The movie has caught everyone's attention. Has caught. Does he know the minister well? Does know. She is cheering the team. Is cheering. He enjoys music. Enjoys. My mom drives carefully. Drives. The moon revolves round the earth. Revolves. Is it raining? So subject verb agreement with plural noun. If the subject is plural, we, they, those, you, we need a plural verb to write a correct sentence. So my dear children, we will go for the next part tomorrow itself, that is modal auxiliary verbs. Today we have gone with all the helping verbs as well as the auxiliary verbs and the verbs. So you write all this in your notebook. Thank you.